Hello everybody, today I'll be playing some Wii Sports Bowling as, whoops. Today we'll be playing Wii Sports Bowling as, Andrew Tate. It's supposed to say Andrew Tate, but it says Andrew Tate because there wasn't enough space, but, whatever. It's my best look for Andrew Tate. Okay, it's been like quite a while since I last done like a gameplay video. Okay. I'm gonna do a little something extreme. It's gonna be so cool. Oh man, it was so close for that strike over there. Okay. Oh, hey, spare. Not bad. Okay. Andrew Tate's gonna do. Hey, strike! Andrew Tate just got a spare and a strike. Speaking of spares and strikes, what color is your what color is your Bugatti? I looked it up. What color was his Bugatti, and it was reddish brown. I thought it was like green or something. Another spare. All that for a drop of blood. Oh man. Oh, that's a weird noise. Andrew Tate can do this? Yes, another spare. I didn't even miss like any pins. I'm the ultimate G gamer. I don't know what Andrew Tate says, but all I know, he got banned. Oh. Yeah, all I know, he got banned off every platform ever. Plus, I don't know what is he going to do now. What? Are you kidding me? Not even a pin down. Wait. Why did those people have no legs, but I'm the only person with legs? Okay. Like, look at those people. They don't have legs. Am I like the last? Or are they like? Does this game take place in the future or something? Like, look at those people in the back. They don't even have legs. Andrew Tate is the top G. He always needs legs. And he sucks at bowling. Oh man. Okay. I swear the Wii is like the loudest thing ever. Oh, nearly lost there. The Wii is by far the loudest thing ever. I don't know if you could hear it, but if you hear closely, the Wii is extremely loud. Okay, gosh, relax. Okay, God. Okay, yeah. Oh, I need that strike. Wow, I did it. Another spare. Gonna be so epic. Are you kidding me? Okay, looks like I got a spare. Asparagus. I'm not funny. I just want to strike. Come on. Oh, looks like the game is finished. Hey, that's not bad. Well, looks like Andrew Tate, he's really bad at playing bowling, so, yeah, he's not good at playing, bowling, and, um, yeah, he's really bad at bowling. Also, subscribe.